In 1932, Australia faced an unexpected invasion, the Great Emu War. Farmers in Western Australia struggled as 20,000 emus, large flightless birds, ravaged their crops. The government deployed soldiers armed with machine guns to combat the feathered foes. Despite their efforts, the emus proved elusive, dodging bullets with surprising agility. The operation was deemed a failure, and the emus emerged victorious. This bizarre event left a lasting impact, highlighting the challenges of wildlife management. How did a bird outsmart the military? Sometimes nature's unpredictability triumphs over human plans. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.